Good morning guys, how are we? It's Francis here. Oh, today I'm back at Second Valley. So rough here. look at the sea, man. The ocean. It's so rough. Wow. Hopefully I will catch something. The water looks clean. Looks clean and clear. Oh wow, it's crazy. It's crazy. I think the time now is 9 in the morning. I didn't really check the tide, like what time the tide come, but I can see it's high tide. Weather overcast. Strong winds. Might as well just set up one floor one here. Try to target the shallow using this. Shit, it's so windy. Gonna set up one there, down there. See? If I get anything. It's really, yeah. Oh yeah, it is. Oh, go on the floor, guys. Yep, they are here. Yeah. I'll go on the floor, guys. Oh. Was a tiny one. It's a really tiny one. Oh no, it's alright. Decent size. First squid of the day. Size. Eh? Yeah. Couldn't change to a white jig. This yellow one is a bit too heavy. Try to attack the bottom more. Can't let this in too fast. Got my first squid out. 10 minutes, I think. Hopefully I'll get more. Hence It was, yeah, it was attacking the jig. Guys, I caught a good sized squid, I think. I think the current is strong, that's why it's pushing it. Oh, same size like just now, that one, the second one, the first one. Now same size. Holy shit, full of water. Woo! Yeah. Wow, look at this. Oh, decent size. Holy shit. Yeah. Look at this, guys. Decent size. Woo! Holy shit! Buddy, look at this, buddy.